Good motherfucking morning. It is Wednesday morning. We're back with another SPY pre-market analysis video. In today's video, we're going to real quickly go through our levels. We don't want to spend too much time. It's 8:08 in the morning. Market opens in about 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and get these levels drawn out. Real quickly, we're going to start by deleting all these previous levels. As you see, this big ass candle kind of just shot through everything. So we're just going to go ahead and delete all this stuff and just start kind of fresh. We're going to keep these zones here because these zones still give us spots to look for. As you see, price came down here, barely dropped under this zone here. And then you have this explosive move out of this zone. I'm going to delete this, whatever this is right here. We got this explosive move out of the zone. Right now, it looks like we're moving towards this zone here. Now, if we were to, let's unlock this. Now, if we were to take this a step further, we can make this a bit larger of a zone. I really wish this side was over here, but we can make this a bit larger of a zone. Use the top of this wick here, and we'll bring this over to where it covers the bottom of that wick there, and we'll extend it over here. Boom. This wick right here. We have this little gap here in price, so we could expect price to end up somewhere up here today, probably. We're going to extend our candles. This big ass candle hardly fits on the screen. We're going to pull up over here, pull out a trend line. We're going to use this candle close here. This candle high here. This is Tuesday's high. Now we're going to move that over just so we can get the high like that. Boom. Lock that in place, lock that in place. I'm going to do the same thing for the open down here, like so. And one more for the candle low. Boom. That looks like it's just a little bit off. Boom, like that. Alright, now we'll go down to our 4 hour, see what we got going on. Candle there, candle open there. High, and the close. The close is actually a little bit down, but it doesn't matter. It's not, it doesn't have to be too exact. Yeah, fuck it. I say it and then I move it. Next thing we're going to be looking at is our pre-market levels. Here we got a pre-market high here, which is basically the close of yesterday. We got our pre-market lows here. So to mark our lows, like so. Just pull that over to the end of the day. Make that a dotted line. Make it easier to see. Low there. And let's see. Zoom out a little bit. Price does seem to want to target this little area here. So what we'll do is we'll pull out a rectangle. We'll use this candle. I don't know if this is the open or close of this candle. It looks like the close of this candle. This candle does look a bit bullish, but I can't tell because of the colors. Kind of hard to tell. And we'll use the bottom of that candle. Something like that, right? Because it does seem like price wants to seek this little area here. Alright, so now we're going to move down to the 1 hour. See what we got going on. We got kind of wick in here. Breaks above. Barely gets above. Big drop down. Yesterday. Or not yesterday, 2 days ago, Monday, we seek this price, drop back down. And then yesterday, we come up, seek this price, this candle, retesting this price, and then we just kind of take off the rest of the day. This is the 1 hour time frame. We're going to keep going with this analysis. we can mark about the high of these candles if we're going to expect price to continue to decline somewhere in here like this. We could even make it a small zone if we wanted to. As a matter of fact, I think that's what I'll do. We'll use the candle close here with these wicks here. I'm just going to use the top of that one candle wick right here. Downside target. So if we were to break under here, we'd look to target here. If we were to break under here, we'd look to target here. And below here, we'd probably look to target right in here. I'll just show you guys that. Boom, like that. As we see, we have a wick here, wick here, wick here. So those are going to be our downside targets. Upside, we're going to look to see if we can get above our pre-market high. If we can get above our pre-market high, we look to target up here, 436.81. And if we can get above 436.81, we look to target somewhere in this gold zone. Honestly, what we would do, we'd like to see, ideally, if we're going to play it that way, we'd like to see a break above and then price move into here. And likely what's going to happen is there's likely a lot of sell orders here. So as soon as we get to this zone, we'd have to sell our position because we're going to likely see a lot of sell orders take place and price just get pushed down pretty quickly. We're going to flip this back on auto. As a matter of fact, we're going to zoom out a little bit. That looks pretty solid in my opinion. I can move these over, but there's no need to really. I don't see price coming all the way back down here. And that's happening to target any of these. So that's pretty much going to be it for this pre-market analysis video. These are going to be our levels that we're going to be watching today. And I could honestly move these over, but it doesn't matter. We're going to end up deleting them and redoing them within the next 1-2 days anyway. So this is what we're going to be watching today. Let me make sure. It'd be hilarious if I wasn't on the right chart this whole time. Anyway. That's going to be the video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, retweet, follow for more SPY pre-market analysis videos where we, chart our levels. You guys can see everything, watch everything. Look at this. I actually like seeing this right here. We're at this high right here. So this is resistance right here. And now it is flipped into support. We'll see if we can hold this as support. Anyway, I'll see you guys when the market opens. Peace.